At NEMO, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Tensor, the lightest, most technical sleeping pad series we've designed. Available in multiple size and installation configurations, this elite ultralight backcountry pad offers backpackers a quieter, more supportive sleep at a tiny pack size. Despite its minimalist weight, Tensor maintains a luxury feel with premium recycled 20D polyester fabrics that are 100% Bluesign certified. Rejuvenating sleep is essential for a better backcountry experience, and Tensor provides 3 inches of quiet, supportive comfort that packs to the size of your water bottle. For unparalleled stability and weight distribution, Tensor is built on our iconic proprietary Spaceframe baffle construction. Internal architecture supports your body using low-stretch, die-cut trusses to eliminate springiness while protecting elbows and hips from poking through to the ground. The spot-welded baffle design allows the thermal mirror metallized insulation to be suspended within the airspace for a lighter and remarkably quieter sleep when compared to the competition. Tensor Insulated now includes an additional undulating layer of ultra-thin TPU to mitigate convective heat loss, while the non-insulated version was updated with a suspended single layer of insulation to help with radiant heat loss for an increased R value in both models without adding weight. Included with Tensor is Vortex, our efficient pump sac that minimizes moisture entering the pad and enables rapid, easy inflation, saving your lungs after a long day on the trail. And Tensor is equipped with Laylow, our zero-profile multifunctional valve for micro-adjustability, personalized comfort, and quick deflation. Offered in a multitude of size and installation configurations, we've designed a pad series to support multiple body types and a wide range of overnight adventures. From Tensor Mummy to Tensor Long Wide and 2 sizes in between, the Tensor series expands from 72 to 76 inches long and 20 to 25 inches wide, balancing restful sleep and tent compatibility. And whether you're expecting mild or freezing temperatures, all Tensor size configurations are offered in both non-insulated and insulated models and feature updated insulation packages for increased R values of 2.5 and 4.2 respectively. For the ultimate ultralight sleeping experience, Tensor balances the perfect formula to make it a true backcountry adventurer's best friend. And like all NEMO products, your Tensor is protected by a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.